How often does a charming, entry-level, classic colonial home on one of Harvard's most picturesque roads become available? This delightful property features an inviting floor plan with a kitchen equipped with a wood stove and a fireplace living room, as well as a comfortable flowing layout. The interior spaces are designed to provide a cozy and organized atmosphere, ensuring that everyone and everything has its place. Hardwood floors throughout offer a solid feel underfoot, and the mature landscaping enhances the home's curb appeal, creating a welcoming first impression. Additionally, a new septic system will be installed at the seller's expense, ensuring peace of mind for the new owners. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a classic colonial in a coveted location. Harvard is an amazing town with a tradition of thinking creatively, embracing and preserving the natural beauty. And being a community of learners, the schools are continually recognized as tops in the state. Harvard is the sort of place that causes one to wonder if it's a vacation or real life while living here. Whether it's serene Bear Hill Pond, Prospect Hill Road's vista to Mount Monadnock, the abundant apple orchards, it's hard to pinpoint just one thing that makes Harvard so special. Come see for yourself.